Now we are going to start 4C, Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji Malusare, a person who don't need an introduction is Tanaji Malusare. I think all you know about Mr. Chhatrapati Shivaji. Do you know the Shivaji? To which state he belongs? Maharashtra king is Shivaji. Chhatrapati Shivaji. We know all about Chhatrapati Shivaji, but equally such a great importance has to one more person. He was none other than Mr. Tanaji Malusare. Tanaji Malusare, everybody, now if you go to Maharashtra and ask even a small child, they will say equally like Shivaji about Tanaji. Tanaji also has a great king like Chhatrapati Shivaji. Okay, a close friend to Shivaji is Tanaji Malusare. Okay, now we are going to know about him. This is the story from Maharashtra, a very inspiring story of a brave warrior. Tanaji Malusare was the name of the warrior. This is the story. It is an inspiring story of Malusare. Okay, inspiring story. We used to inspire from Malusare. He was none other than Tanaji Malusare. Was the name of the warrior. Perhaps no episode in Maharashtra history has moved the hearts of the people as deeply as the death of Tanaji Malusare, the conqueror of Sinhagad, the Lion's Fort. So, actually, he was the king of Sinhagad, conqueror, king of Sinhagad. Still today also it is very famous. Sinhagad. He is the one of the favorite person and close person to Mr. Chhatrapati Shivaji. This story is known to every Maratha child. What is the main language in Maharashtra? Marathi. What is that? Marathi. So every Maratha child, they knew the story of Tanaji. Okay? Through the Ballad of Sinhagad. He is a ballad. He is a lion. He is a lion of Sinhagad. The Sinhagad fort was one of the 23 forts surrendered to the Mughals as per the Purandar Treaty. This act of surrender hurt the feelings of Marathas. There was the fire in the hearts of Marathas. That fire would never subside till they take revenge. So, Purandar Treaty. Okay? Purandar Treaty. Mughals. Those times, Mughals used to attack. Mughals. Akbar, Birbal, will be now. Jahangir, these are all Mughals. So the Mughals, they attacked and occupied their forts. 23 forts are there. In that, Sinhagad also is one of the fort. Purandar Treaty, under the action of that, these Mughals, they have taken their forts. And these Marathas, definitely they will take revenge. They don't leave them. Okay? If they take, see, there was a fire in the hearts of Marathas. That fire would never subside. It will never get stopped until they take revenge. They will take revenge. If they will take, they will leave. Marathas, they don't leave. One morning, says the Ballad of Sinhagad, Jijabai, Shivaji's mother, was looking out of the window of Pratapgarh. She saw in the distance the majestic monument, Sinhagad, the Lion Fort. So, one day, Jijabai. Who is Jijabai? Mother of Shivaji. She was from her window. She was watching this Sinhagad. Because, many forts are there. The Mughals, they occupied. They have taken their forts. So she was watching from the window. And she wanted Shivaji to win back the fort from Mughals. But Shivaji thought it was an impossible task. He knew that there was one man who can do this. And that was none other than Tanaji. And he sent for Tanaji. But when Tanaji came, Shivaji did not have the heart to tell his dear comrade why he had been summoned. His mother Jijabai told him the nature of his mission. So actually, when Jijabai, she likes Sinhagad. Pratap, Shivaji's mother, from her window, when she was seeing the Sinhagad, she liked the Sinhagad. Okay, and Shivaji was scaring to fight with Mughals. It was in the hands of Mughals now. Now Sinhagad is in the hands of Mughals. But Jijabai, she wanted to get the fort back again into their hands. But even Shivaji also is scaring to fight with Mughals. Even Shivaji was also scaring to fight with Mughals. But there is one person who can fight equally and in a better way with Mughals. You know who is that? Mr. Tanaji. Even Shivaji also knew it. But even he can't say it. He did not share the feeling with Tanaji because Mughals are very dangerous. Fighting with them is not an easy job. It is the toughest job. But he has to fight now. So Shivaji was unable to share this feeling with his friend Tanaji. So Jijabai, mother of Shivaji, she started telling to Tanaji. Okay, what she was talking, let's listen. The lion-hearted Tanaji promised either to accomplish it or die in the process. He set out at night and marched towards the fortress with his men. He reached the fortress secretly on a cold, clear and moonless night in February 1670. In the century of 16th century. See, 17, 18, 19, 20. 400 years backstory. 400 years backstory, but even this man is in history. Tanaji. Still today also, every Marathi and every child of Maratha, they know the story of Tanaji. Greatness, legend is legend. Either do or die. With that intention only it has to go. Tanaji, when Jijabai told that, come on Tanaji, I want Sinhagad, means he went, Ma, I will do or I will die. But lastly, I will come as a winner. I will definitely get the Sinhagad. No doubt about it. He promises Jijabai and he went to fight. In the year 1670, moonless night. There is no night, completely darkness. Silently, now Marathas are going to attack the Mughals. Who is going to attack Mughals now? To which place they are going to attack? Sinhagad. Sinhagad now in whose hands? Mughals. Now who is going to fight with Mughals? Tanaji, alone with his army, a small army, by taking only few members. Tanaji wanted to attack Mughals. His intention only one thing, do or die. Either I will do or else I will die. But I don't feel like a coward. I don't escape. I will do the day to do something. That's what the intention of Tanaji. He had taken him with him Shivaji's favorite Ghorpad, Udumu. Udumu means, do you know Udumu? It will be in forest. It is like a lizard. It will be like crocodile. It is not exactly like crocodile. It is the group related to lizards family only. It is one of the breed of lizards family only. It will be like crocodile. It will be like a crocodile. Okay. So they used to take Udumu. Chhatrapati Shivaji's actually Ghorpad. He used to call that as Ghorpad. But in Telugu we call that as Udumu. Udumu, if it comes, they will leave the house. Because it will be in the forest, but it will not be in the houses. Okay. It will be like exactly like crocodile only. So, lizard to assist in scaling the fort wall. Actually, it crawls the wall. It crawls the wall. That's why he had taken the Ghorpad. What we used to call? Ghorpad. Ghorpad means in Telugu we call it as Udumu. Okay? Tanaji has taken the help of Ghorpad. It is Shivaji's favorite one, Ghorpad. A rope was tied to the waist of the lizard. A rope will tie. Actually, how they will send the lizard? They will tie a rope. The lizard refused to follow the order and climb the fort as it noticed a danger in climbing the fort. Tanaji expressed his anger. The lizard obeyed his order. It was terrified and scaled the hilltop, which helped the Marathas to go off the cliff. Cliff in essence, what is the meaning of cliff? Dead point, enter point. For example, this is fort. This is called kill. Last point. Okay. So first they have sent that Gorpadna. It is not going. It is scary. When something there is a danger. Even though when it is crawling also, it was fighting. Many people are there. There is a danger. So it is not going. Immediately Tanaji warned it. Come on, move. Then it listened. It listened and slowly started crawling. And some soldiers reached the top. Some soldiers, Marathas, they reached the top. The guards in the fort detected their arrival. Mughals are there now. Mughals. They had caught the Marathas. The sentries were swiftly killed by the Marathas. Sentries will be, who are sentries? At the gate entrance, they will stand up. We will call them sentries. What we call them? Sentries. Marathas killed them. But the clash of the arms thoroughly roused and garrison Tanaji faced a serious problem. But with that sound had come and Tanaji got a big problem. Many soldiers of his troops were still at the bottom of the fort. See, many of the soldiers, they are at the bottom. They are at the bottom only. They did not come. He had to challenge the enemy, the greatly outnumbered his troops. He has already made up his mind and he ordered his troops to launch the attack. The fight proceeded. Tanaji lost many men, but his men caused heavy losses on the Mughal forces. So many of his men were down. They did not come up. So they need a lot of members. They need a large army to attack on Mughals. Only few members had come. Many members were down only. But there are number of Mughal people are there. How Tanaji repeatedly sang to keep the spirits of his soldiers high. After some hours, the Mughal commander Udayban was engaged in a fight with Tanaji. The odds were against Maratha. The long fought and the vigorous fight Tanaji had already been engaged in before had made him weak completely. Hence, after a lengthy fight, Tanaji fell never to get up. However, the fight continued under the leadership of Shivaji, Tanaji's brother, as soldiers who were at the bottom of the fort reached the fort and continued fighting. The Mughals bit the dust. The Maratha soldiers brought the fort under their control. It was a great victory for the Marathas, but there was no mood of joy of victory in their camp. The news of the victory reached Shivaji. He rushed the fort eagerly to congratulate Tanaji. To his shock, he saw the brave Tanaji lifeless. The Ballad singer describes the grief as such. 12 days the king wept over him, the great love that he bore him. The sorrow of Jijabai was also described. The scarf removed, she saw his face. No worthier chief of the rice. It was thus she wailed and drew a sword before the armies of the Lord. Shivaji's son and king today, your right hand has been chopped away. When Shivaji learned of his friend's death, he remarked, God Allah Pansinha Gela. It means we have gained the fort but we lost the lion. So with the Mughal fighters, Tanaji fought a lot. Continuously. Here, one more person of Mughal, Udayban, Mughal Emperor Udayban. With him, Tanaji fought bravely, continuously for many hours he had fought. By fighting, he killed a lot of members of Mughals. He killed many members of Mughals. Continuously he fought and he had killed them. Okay, and lastly, he was unable to fight and he was dead. And his brother, Tanaji's brother, fought and lastly, now Sinhagad come to the hands of Marathas. Shivaji come with the happiness to see the victory, to enjoy the victory he had come. Of course, Sinhagad came, but Tanaji was no more. Sinhagad came and Jijabai, Shivaji's mother also felt very happy. So she said that now everything is there with you Shivaji, but you have lost your friend. You lost your right hand. Tanaji is like a right hand to Shivaji. Okay, now Sinhagad came, you won, you killed the Mughals. Everything is with us. But Tanaji was dead in the hands of Udayban. Mughal emperor, he killed Tanaji. Tanaji was dead, but he has died like a hero. but not like a coward. He had won their occupied Sinhagad. Now Sinhagad came into their hands. Sinhagad came to the hands of Marathas, but they lost to the Thanaji. They lost to Thanaji, a great warrior, a great fighter, and a great man. Hero is a hero. Now, at the borders, many soldiers, they were dying. But even though their death also has a meaning in it. Their death also has a meaning in it. It is not an easy job, right? So, victory will come. But even we have to feel that there should be, if we die, many people has to feel that a good man has gone. But they should not say that a stupid fellow has gone. So, we should live like a hero, even our death also should be like a hero. It should have a meaning. That's what Tanaji Malusare is the king of Sinhagad. He has died like a hero. He had brought a meaning to Maratha's life. Okay, students, I think do you realize the meaning of Tanaji Malusare? Do you like him? Every Maratha child had known the story of Tanaji, had known a lot about Tanaji Malusare, the right hand to Shivaji. Even when he was died, his mother Jinjabai will say, Shivaji, you won Sinhagad and you defeated Mughals. You had brought all things, but you lost your right hand. See what a great name any person he wants. Even though when he was dying also he killed Mughals. That's what the spirit every person should have, students. I think you will take him as an inspiration. Now we had come to the end of the lesson, students. Here is your homework. Write 4C new words, glossary and question answers from textbook in classroom. Okay, complete the notes, write properly, write good handwriting, practice. Suddenly if you come to school, your handwriting is too bad, most of your handwritings. So write clearly and neatly, maintain the sequence, keep gap. When we are correcting, we are going to know many of the things that there are number of spelling mistakes, improper representation. Don't you know, students, question and answer start with a capital letter? You are, see for example, Y is there. W will be small, H is capital. First capital. Answer also. I capital. So start question and answer with a capital letter. Every sentence starts with a capital letter now. At least follow and write the title completely with the capital letters. Write index properly. Okay, these things, even though repeatedly I am telling it, repeatedly you are doing it. Okay, be careful and stay healthy and wear mask. If anything is emergency and needed, come out. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.